vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle.
I didn't understand a word you said.
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest.
Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
It smells like weighted, smelly good carpenter.
Let's do another game.
I want to blow this up on Instagram.
I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know? I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know?
You ready to play them? Because it's just like,
Can you
after
please
a
say the
while-
whole thing?
Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic, what is that? What the hell does that mean? I can't tell if this is a really great show, but this is a complete disaster. Boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.